أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
If you need to change the Azan sound, you can either scroll up to go to Azan sound option, or you can directly click the first button here which is Azan sound. Okay, if you click on it, it takes you directly to select Azan sound. Then you click on set, you click and hold set. So you have two options, either you choose the default or the random option. You scroll up and down. If you choose the random option, then the clock will choose for you the Azan randomly for Fajr, Dhuhr and Maghrib. So if you choose random and you can click set, then it will be set randomly. That's it, and the clock will be choosing the Adhan for you. But if you decide you need to choose the Adhan, then you have to go to the option that says default and click set, and then you go like to Fajr, click set. You can scroll up. So you can scroll up and down and choose the Adhan you want. You click set and the Adhan will be set for Fajr. Now you go scroll up, click up, it takes you to the sunrise. To choose the tone for the sunrise, you click set and you scroll. You click set to select that, and then you can go to Dhuhr Adhan and to Maghrib Adhan. Also, if you need to change it, you click set and you choose the Adhan that you want and you click set and you go up, and that's it. Now the Adhan sounds are set.